I hope you're ready for this. I don't know if I'm ready for it, but this is amazing. So this is my favorite tag. It's a light pink tag. It's from Italy. In fact, it's from the mill, Gruppo Dondi Spa is what they're called. It's from the Italian mill. It's one of the best mills in the country. And I just get over the moon excited when these fabrics come in. They're just absolutely stunning. This is like a Pontoroma. The stretch though is in both directions. It's 100% cotton. These are all, this is a brown collection because brown is so strong for fall that I really wanted to just put this in. This is basically, oh, I didn't take these rubber bands off, sorry. This is all we have. This is it. They're all $12.99 today, and I'm not even sure why I'm doing that. But anyway, this is stretch woven, 100% cotton, beautiful piece of fabric. Just really, really gorgeous. I'm realizing, you guys, that I didn't take these rubber bands off, so just a little bit of patience. This is a sheer. It's a really deep brown. It's beautiful. Stretch in both directions. It's got a, I don't know if you can see that, it's got a little linear all the way through it. It'd be beautiful for just something underneath a shell. I mean, a shell underneath something. It's so pretty, so lightweight. 100% cotton. Just really beautiful. This is, again, I think these fabrics are just stunningly beautiful. But again, I think it'd be so pretty for like a little, I don't know, like a little bodysuit, a little wrap, a little cardi over something. Isn't that pretty? Over a dark. It's got a little bit of black, but also brown. It would work with brown or black either way. And I put these in because you can see how well they blend. They're just really, really pretty. This is a texture that is just out of this world. It's brown, which is everything that's going on this fall, but it's got that orange, that transition of the orange in it. It's a beautiful texture. Be great for a jacket, skirt. Just lovely. It's got stretch in one direction, and it's just amazing. And then this is the last one, and yet this is a beautiful knit. It stretches in both directions. It's 100% cotton. Oh my gosh. Again, all $12.99 today. I think I'm crazy to do it. I think that we got a good price, and I want you all to sew. For those of you who have never ordered our fabrics before, you should. And I just want you to get a sampling of what great fabric is and how easy it is to sew on. It's so much easier to sew than something inexpensive. So anyway, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.